Hi, my name is Rocky Rhodes. I am a mechanical design engineer and 3D printing hobbyist. Um, I have family members in the medical field that are dealing with this coronavirus, and they really got the word out to have people sew those masks that go over the N95 masks that add a little protection. Um, I can't really sew that well. I can sew somewhat. It's not really deep into my knowledge base. I was able to sew a block, a 9x7 block, which is the same block they're having everybody else sew, except they're adding elastic to the sides here so you can put it over and wrap it around your ears. But I don't sew very well. I was really scared that I would sew something that the strings wouldn't last or the elastic would break and it'd be worthless, and I'd be putting a lot of time and effort into something that would just break. You know, why do that? So I kind of came up with this idea to use a plastic clip. It's kind of a arc shape with two slits, similar to a belt buckle. The idea being that you could take and bring one side of the center block in, or whatever you'd like to call this, the main body, center block, the rectangle, keeper, I'm not sure. The idea being you can bring it in and loop it, lace it, string it, however you want to put it, through both sides. So now you got one secure side. And then you would do a similar fashion with another side. And I'm using shoestring here to go ahead and hold this in place. And the idea being that you would at least do it this opposite or mirror image each other on either side. Otherwise, it's going to look really weird. And you don't want to be at the hospital looking at a nurse that looks funny. Because I don't care how sick you are, you're going to laugh. Maybe that's the whole idea. Maybe we will lace them all backwards. So that way you get some laughs out of this. I mean, this situation is not funny by any means, but with a name like mine, you tend to find humor where you can. So I'm lacing this up, and I'm struggling because I'm doing this on camera. I don't do YouTube videos at all, but I'm trying. This is all about effort. I'm struggling. So now I've got a mask. I've got something that I can put on. I can lace up. I can change the size of it. I can make it tighter. I can make it looser. I can do all those things. I can change this mask as needed. But then, I've used it. Been in a room. Something happened. I need to do something with this mask because it's got something on it. So now, just as easy as I laced it, I pull it off the sides. I'm back to square one. I have this center block here. I can take this, I can throw this in the wash, and I can take these two clips and whatever attachment method, and I can sterilize them. There's a gas sterilization systems that are okay to use on this type of plastic. This is PLA plastic. Once again, I'm using shoestrings as a strap. It's nothing special. With this video, I'm going to try to include a 3D print file so everybody can make these. I'm not trying to hoard the knowledge. I want to share this with as many people as possible. This is something very important, and if it continues on, it's great. Whoever can use this and can be helped would be great. You can contact me through the video. I'll probably read the comments, although you probably shouldn't, I guess, but got time to kill. Not a good phrase. Anyways, thank you for watching. Once again, my name is Rocky Rhodes.